Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to see how to install the tempered glass for the Android phone properly. I'm using the Redmi Note 10s and this is by Popio guys, so y'all can just check out the link in the description which y'all can buy from Amazon, and it is very cheap. And let me just check out what else we get in the box. And basically it is a fairly very easy process to install the tempered glass on your Android phone, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to do it. And also guys, I'll be having some follow-up videos in which I'll be showing with multiple screen guards with multiple phones, etc. So this is sort of a accessories which we get. The first one which we have it is the wet and the dry cloth. And taking the tempered glass out of the box, we have nothing but a sticker over here, and this is for the punch hole kind of phones guys. And let me just remove it and just check out how this feels. But before that, we need to check out the existing screen protector from the phone. So as you can see, I'm already having pre-applied screen guard over here which needs to get removed guys, and it is very sort of difficult over here. And let me just try it from the bottom if I can remove it. And you'll just have to get rid of all the screen guards or any kind of protective material which you are having previously, and really it is very satisfying experience just to peel off the screen guard. So first what I'm going to do is remove the wet cloth and then apply the dry cloth. So upon this, we are just going to clean the screen. If there are any kind of debris or some kind of lint, pocket lint, etc. As you can see on the top guys, there are the dust particles which are left from the previous screen guard, also some glue, etc., which have to get rid of it. So this is how we do it. And you basically need to turn off the phone, otherwise it is just going to activate it, especially if you have the screen turned on or reach to wake feature and all. So let's just check out the dry cloth and just clean out the excess alcohol which is there. Actually the wet is nothing but the alcohol cloth which is going to apply alcohol, and we just have to get rid of this excess alcohol slightly by rubbing it guys. But please note that don't rub it very furiously, otherwise it is just going to put scratches on your device. And you'll have to watch carefully guys, especially speaker grill, etc. There are some lints and all which you definitely need to get rid of it. And always do this in sort of semi-lit environment, because then you will be able to come out if there are any lint or dust which are there. And let us just peel off the protective casing from the tempered glass. And let me know in the comments below guys if you have ever put any tempered glass for your phone, and if it is easy or you all just got it correct in the first place. So what I did is I just arranged it properly and then just pressed in between, and as you can see guys, it is automatically getting applied. And this is one of the best screen guards available for the Redmi Note 10 Prime and Redmi Note 10s. And this is how it looks guys. As you can see, there are no 0L bubbles, etc., and this is perfectly fitted. At the edges guys, you will be noticing that there are some air bubbles which are fine, and eventually this will go away as you start using your device and all. So this is just nothing but the glue. But one thing you have to get it proper is this punch hole design, because if the camera cutout is not proper, it is not going to work properly. You are going to get blurry photos, etc. So I hope you all enjoyed this guys, and it was very satisfying experience just put the screen guard. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and check out these awesome videos which we have it, and let me know in the comments below if you have ever have a good experience in putting screen guard. And thanks a lot.